Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a footnote into your notes in the Obsidian Notes application. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to your note here in the Obsidian Notes application, open the note in a new tab, and here enter your text in the text field. So let me go with insert footnote. So what you want to do guys is position the cursor and left click where you'd like to place the footnote. So let me position it at the end of that paragraph here. Next, right click into it, choose insert and choose footnote. And here in that window, enter the source, like for example, I don't know if it's a book or a website or the source for the given footnote. And then you can click off and you will see the footnote at the bottom of the page, in this case here. So each consecutive or following footnote will then be listed below. Footnote 2, 3, and so on and so forth. And that's how it works, guys. So if you, for example, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.